The YoLink Hub and Leak Sensor Kit offers a seamless setup experience, allowing you to quickly connect through Ethernet or Wi-Fi and start monitoring for leaks within minutes. With its effortless installation, the YoLink wireless water sensor can be placed near any potential leak sources, such as toilets, dishwashers, and sump pumps, providing peace of mind. Powered by LoRa technology, this kit boasts an impressive receiving range of up to 1/4 mile, making it ideal for challenging Wi-Fi environments like basements and remote outbuildings. A powerful 105 decibel audio alarm ensures you are promptly alerted to any potential leaks, allowing you to react swiftly to prevent water damage. The water leak sensor is designed to withstand harsh conditions with its robust IP66 waterproof rating, ensuring durability and reliability. Equipped with a low-temperature sensor, the YoLink Water Leak Sensor also provides freeze warnings, helping you avoid frozen pipes during cold weather.